Hello everybody, Daniel Klopfelter here. I just want to give an update on our house that we're building up in Salakoa Highlands in Jasper, off Henderson Mountain Road. Just wanted to stop by and show you how pretty this is. I don't know if you've seen any other videos or not, but we'll put some pictures of the house in here. Back up the road. The canopy and stuff riding in this road is gorgeous. Anyway, we'll check it out. Get my head out of the shot. I forget how big it is, like just under 40 acres maybe, 34 acres, something like that. This lake. Clubhouse is back over this way. Mailboxes, all that good stuff. Forgive no power and light. Kitchen, walking into the front door. Powder. Let's go to the kitchen first. Bonus room up there. Garage out here. Bonus, step stairs. Kitchen. This is going to be a giant island. We're going to basically double the granite, I believe. Office, upper deck view. It's actually a deck slash porch. Great room, high ceilings, super high ceilings, vaulted. Fireplace. Thinking about doing some cedar trim, kind of like exposed beams, but not real exposed beams. Getting all bone insulation on the side of that, up there. Tell me what you think. Exposed beams, white beams, no beams. Stairs to the basement. Giant master. Closets everywhere. In there. Little shower. Silk and tub, dual vanities, water closet, toilet, another walk-in, double doors, utility, laundry, double vanity, granite. It will be, I believe, unless something's changed. Bedroom 1, secondary bedroom 2. Little basement tour again. Spray foam insulation. Gosh, at least 9-foot finished ceilings. These things are super high. Silent floor system. Bathroom stubbed up. 2x6 construction. Utility room. This is a giant room. The living room, pool table, whatever you will do. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, giant closets. Everything's furred in. It is ready. Throw some wires in, which the builder can do. Throw some drywall in, which the builder can do. Ready to rock and roll. Back deck. And of course, deck above, off the main level of the house. Hardy plank siding.